Welcome to Things Talk Notch Academy. We are giving this to solve today, which is 3 raised power 2 else equals to 27. So when you are given an equation like this, what you do, consider both sides first. So you are looking at this now, having base 3, but this one is just a normal number, having no base. So what you do, transform this to be of the same base as this, which is base 3. So that means what we're going to use to transform this is 3. So when I say 3 times 3 is what? 9 times 3 again. 9 times 3 is what? 27. So it means that we're having 3 raised power 3. Where 3, this power here, it shows how many times 3 multiplied itself to give us 27 here. So let's go ahead. So we're having solution. Then we have 3 raised power 2 else is equals to 27, which is what was given. So we also have 3 raised power 2x now is equals to what we got there is 3 raised power 3. So we can see now that they're already in the same base. So this base can go against this. We'll now be left with 2x is equals to 3. Can you see it? So but our interest is to know what x is. So what we do now is we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is what? 2. So divide both sides by what? 2. Divide by 2. 2 here can go against 2 as well. So we left with x is equal to 3 all over what? 2 as our final answer. That's how to solve this type of equation.